Here we are, we stopped in Destin. Harborwalk. Check this place out. It's like a whole village of shops and whatnot. There's a Coyote Ugly Saloon right there. Little Honda Ruckus. 50 cc's. These are all the rage down here. That looked like it could be a knockoff Ruckus, probably made in China. So we're still in Destin. We're at Jimmy Buffett's Chill Bar. And a few people chilling. This place is pretty cool. I want to make it over there. How do we get over there? Oh, don't say we can't. That just sounds like a challenge. So this nice lady Maria just tried to get us to sign up for a timeshare presentation for this place, and we respectfully declined. But it's tempting. It's 2 hours for a $100 American Express gift certificate. Wish there was a way you could feel this breeze.
It's pretty perfect.
Yeah, it is. I want to figure out how to get over there. That looks like a cool spot. Yeah, this is kind of cool. Never seen anything like this. So somebody carved this with a chainsaw. This guy, Martin and Miller, Preston Miller. Martin Miller and Preston Miller carved this thing. It's very neat. Yeah, these guys did a good job on this tree. There's so much stuff carved into this, and all with a chainsaw. This tree is in the atrium of this big hotel. It's kind of cool. There must be LED lights. If you can see, it actually changes color. Reminds me a lot of the thing that we have in our toilet in the RV now. The toilet thinks it's not quite as beautiful or fancy. So I guess you could say there's some options here if you wanted to take out a charter, a fishing charter, anything like that. One huge ship here right after another.
We're in Henderson State Park, Florida. Just looking at the sights here. Trying to get an idea of what the state parks look like. Pretty decent sights.
We just ate lunch at this little beachside inn coffee shop, I guess it's called. Camille's restaurant, sushi bar, cocktails, really good sandwiches. And now we are going to the beach. And parked across the street, free parking.
Yep.
And it looks like a beautiful beach. Look at that water. Pretty spectacular. Hello. Puppers everywhere. Oh yeah, there's puppies around.
Oh my Lord.
So the lady tried to tell us the water was 78 degrees yesterday, and it's the first time I've really felt it, and it feels more like it's maybe 58 degrees. It's definitely not 78 degrees, I can tell you that. It's not too bad, but it's not 78.
We are at one of the Destin public beaches, and Doug and I are just walking along the beach. And as you can see,
is that a sandpiper?
I think it's a sandpiper. The waves are crazy today. My crazy husband. And how was it?
It was good. It's not 78 degrees.
Yeah.
But you didn't get numb. You could get used to it. I've seen it a lot worse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just wanted to show you along the coast here how beautiful it is.
But when you go to walk in, it drops right off.
Yeah. Huh. Look at those clouds.
Then every now and then the sun pokes out.
Not the snow.
Not the snow. No, you might think this is snow.
Looks kind of like snow.
There's no shells, and the sand here has the consistency of granulated sugar.
Whoa, there goes my pants.
Uh-oh.
Oh well. Not the worst thing in the world.
Christina, stop playing with the shark. Stop playing with that shark. We got to go inside the Bass Pro Shop.
All right, let's go.
Hi.
Oh, we have two now.
So, Christina, where are you today?
Right now?
Yes, right now.
We are at Bass Pro Shop.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Very cool.
And this is probably the smallest Bass Pro Shop I think we've ever been in. Because it's in like a big shopping center, mall type area. So, Christina. Oh, there you are. Sorry. It's confused.
Yeah.
We've moved upstairs. There she is. She's gonna buy herself a pistol. Time to get a firearm.
Got my dog. Turbo.
Just ask Lenore. He's deadly. Never gonna forgive him. Well, I think Christina found her little hut that she wants to live in here at the Bass Pro Shop.
I'm gonna live in the Bass Pro Shop.
Yeah. Be perfect. Overlooking the fish here.
Dinner.
Got a little waterfall.
Dinner.
Nice. Yeah, I could see you living there.
Yeah, I'll do it. Just as long as there's no rodents.
You think they made that sign authentic?
I think they did pretty good.
Taste that and see if it's really
No.
bird poop.
That's alright.
It looks pretty real.
It's very real.
So Destin is the world's luckiest fishing village.
Yep.
So there she is. The Annie Oakley of the Bass Pro Shop. Riding her little pink pony.
Got my pink pony. My pink rifle.
What about your pink hat?
Oh, my pink pony fell. Got my pink hat.
Oh, you're getting a call on your pink phone.
My pink phone. Hang on. Oh, I had it on backwards. I had it on backwards. I'm the sheriff in town.
Are you having a little beverage?
I am. Brenda, I bought these for you and Jimmer when you came to our house for New Year's Eve, and we never drank them, or you never drank them, so I didn't want them to go to waste. So yes, I'm drinking Bud Light.
And what kind of Bud Light is that?
What do you mean? Canned Bud Light? I don't know what.
It's the extra large can.
Oh, it's I don't even know. It's big. Big.
It's the big beer.
It's the big beer.